Hi students, good morning everybody. Let us see the factorization of trinomials today. Already I explained how to factorize. These are the some more problems. Look at the first question. X square minus 9x plus 20. Okay. How to factorize this I told you. What are the factors of 20? 5 fours are 20, right? 5 fours are 20. I want minus 9 here. So minus 9 means what should I do? Minus 5, minus 4. Because minus into minus plus 5 fours are 20. Okay? This one we should get if you take product. Minus 5 minus 4 how much? Minus 9. Right. So that minus 9x can be written as minus 5x minus 4x plus 20. Right? Take x common in this two. X of x minus 5. In this two what is the common? 4 is there. Minus 4 I am taking. X minus into plus minus 4 5s are 20. So x minus 5 into x minus 4. Therefore, since it is trinomial we have two factors quadratic expression. X minus 5 into x minus 4. Both are the factors of given expression. Right? If you multiply these two factors, we will get again given expression. Okay? Look at the second question. Y square plus 5y minus 24. What are the factors of 24 here? 8 3s are can I take? Okay? So I want here 8 plus 3 minus 8 minus 3 8 minus 3 minus 8 8 minus 3 and minus 8 plus 3. What are the possibilities here? 4 8 plus 3 11 minus 11 5 minus 5. So which one is correct here? This one is correct. So plus 8 minus 3, right? Plus 8 minus 3. So this 5y can be written as 8y minus 3y minus 24. Okay? So take y common in this two. Y plus 8 minus 3 common in this two. Y plus 3 8s are 24. So y plus 8 into y minus 3. Therefore, y square plus 5y minus 24 equal to y plus 8 into y minus 3. Both are the factors. Okay? Look at third one. See third one. Third one. 1 minus 3a minus 28a square. So I will arrange them in order. Okay. So minus 28a square I will write. Next minus 3a plus 1 separately. Okay. Now you have minus 28 here. How do we write minus 28? I want 3 middle. 7 4s 28, right? So 7 plus 4, 7 minus 4, minus 7 minus 4, minus 7 plus 4. So which one is possible now? 11, 3, minus 11, minus 3. I want minus 3 there. So is it possible? Minus 7 plus 4, right? So minus 28 a square minus 3a can be written as minus 7a plus 4a plus 1. Okay. Now what is the common term in these two? Can I take minus 7a common? Is it not? 7 4s 28, 1a common. So 4a. Since I took minus common, minus into minus plus, 7a, 1s are 7a. So there is nothing common here. We write as it is. So 4a plus 1 into minus 7a plus 1. So therefore 1 minus 3a minus 28a square equal to 4a plus 1 into minus 7a plus 1. Both are the factors. Okay. Let us see fourth one. Fourth one. See the fourth question. X square plus 6x plus 8. Can I take 4 2s are 8? Since positive solve, I can write 6x as 4x plus 2x plus 8, right? I am taking x common in this 2, so x plus 4 plus 2 common, x plus 2 4s are 8. So x plus 4 into x plus 2. Therefore x square plus 6x plus 8 equal to x plus 4 into x plus 2. Fifth one. X square plus 4x plus 3. These two are also positive. So can I take 3 ones are 3? So this 4x can be written as plus 3x plus 1x. So 3x plus 1x plus 3. Take x common in this 2. X of x plus 3 plus 1 common, x plus 3. So x plus 3 into x plus 1. Therefore x square plus 4x plus 3 equal to x plus 3 into x plus 1. Okay. Sixth one we will see. Sixth one. A square plus 5a plus 6. Right? So I can take 3 2s are 6. Can I take? Since all are positive terms, 5a can be written as 3a plus 2a plus 6. So I will take a common in this 2, a plus 3 plus 2 common, a plus 3. So a plus 3 into a plus 2. Therefore a square plus 5a plus 6 equal to a plus 3 into a plus 2. Seventh, a square minus 5a plus 6. Can I take 3 2s are 6? That means 3 plus 2, 3 minus 2, minus 3 minus 2, minus 3 plus 2. Minus 1, minus 5, 1, 5. Which one is possible? Minus 5 is possible. So I can take minus 3 minus 2. Minus 5 can be written as minus 3 minus 2. Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. So a square minus 3a minus 2a plus 6. In this 2a common, minus 2 common, 2 3s. So a minus 3 into a minus 2. Eighth one. I will say separately. Eighth one. See the eighth question. X square plus 5xy plus 4y square. So since we have 4 here, I can take 5xy as 4xy plus 1xy I am taking. Can I take like this? What are the factors of 4 here? 4 ones are 4. So 5xy can be written as 5xy can be written as 4xy and 1xy. Multiply 4x square y square. See, these two if you multiply 4x square y square, right? So I'll take these two common, x plus 4y, plus in these two y I am taking common. So x plus, if you take 1y here, 4y will remain there. So x plus 4y into x plus y. So therefore x square plus 5xy plus 4y square equal to x plus 4y into x plus y. Ninth, a square minus 3a minus 40. Take the factors of 40 here. 8 5s are, can I take? 8 5s are 40. So I want minus 3. So minus 8 plus 5 minus 8a plus 5a minus 40. So take a common, a minus 8 plus 5 common, a minus 5 8s are 40. So a minus 8 into a plus 5. Therefore a square minus 3a minus 40 equal to a minus 8 into a plus 5. Okay? So that is 9th. 10th one we will see. 10th one, x square minus x minus 72. 9 8s are, I can take. 9 8s are 72. So minus 9 plus 8 I can take. Minus 9x plus 8x minus 72. So I take x common plus 8 common. So x minus 9 into x plus 8. Therefore x square minus x 72 equal to x minus 9 into x plus 8. X square minus 10xy plus 24y square. This also same. 8 3s are, can we take 6 4s are 24. So I can take minus 6xy minus 4xy, right? Minus 6 minus 4 minus 10xy. Okay, so x square minus 6xy minus 4xy plus 24y square. So take x common in this two, x minus 6y minus 4y common, x minus 6y. So x minus 6y into x minus 4y. Therefore x square minus 10xy plus 24y square equal to x minus 6y into x minus 4y. Those two are the factors. Okay, this type I have not told you. This is the first method now. You should understand perfectly the factorization. So learn perfectly. Last two. 12th one. 7b square minus 8b plus 1. 7b square minus 8b can be written as minus 7b minus b. 7b common, so b minus 1 minus 1 common, b minus 1. So totally b minus 1 common, so 7b minus 1. Therefore 7b square minus 8b plus 1 equal to b minus 1 into 7b minus 1. 13th, last one. So 2x square plus xy minus 6y square. 6 2s are 12, x square y square. Factors are 4 3s can I take? So 4xy and 3xy minus I am taking. So 2x square plus 4xy minus 3xy minus 6y. So take 2x common, x plus 2y minus 3y common, x minus I took common, so plus 3 2s are 6. So x plus 2y into 2x minus 3y. Plus xy can be written as 4xy minus 3xy. 4xy minus 3xy, 1xy. So in this 2, I am taking 2x common, so 1x will remain, plus 2 2s are 4, x I took common, y remains. Minus 3y common, so x minus into minus plus 2y. So x plus 2y into, so 2x square plus xy. So x plus 2y into, okay, that's all, the end of the solution. Okay, we will see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.